Jadi mulai.
Udah mulai nih, udah lagi main nih. Yuk kenapa diam aja? Yuk teman Caca Mingka.
Mana mulutnya?
Itu Donald Duck kenapa tuh? Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to open. Enggak, this one.
Where you going, Rod?
We're going to open this one. Let me see. Who is it?
Who is it?
Thank you.
Hai dulu dong.
Emang udah recording?
Udah dari tadi.
Udah tadi. Ya kita mau buka lagi.
Mau buka apa?
Yeah,
What kind of game is that?
mystery.
Mystery game?
Impossible.
But we have to play teams, right?
Yeah, because the max players is only 2.
So Rodrigo will be with Cece Ivory and Minkaros will be with Havana.
Can I check Amisa's fibers first? Sure. Yay! Kayak gini loh, Meh. Ini kan dok kayak popit.
Mesti ditempelin dulu ya.
Ini enaknya seperti itu.
Hah?
Iya kayak gitu, Meh. Popit, kayak popit. Kayak semuanya? Iya semuanya. I'm gonna ask some unreasonable questions. For what? For humor. Okay.
Ini dibuka dulu terus ditempelin.
We're gonna put it
Oh gitu.
something the daughter. Ready, look. Richard or Harry? They will pick the character. What look like? They could never keep a secret. So someone's planning to throw a birthday party for like here. If someone was like, if Anne was throwing a surprise birthday party for Lucy, and Anne told Harry and Richard to keep it a secret, Harry and Richard would spoil it right away.
How do you know that?
Like me. They just look like it. It shows in their expression. So you see, don't judge anyone. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Iyalah.
They would spoil your surprise.
Iyalah. Halo. Are we ready?
Yeah, ready.
Let's go.
Look at me. Turkey song.
Yuk kayak anak baby, Rod.
Look at me. I have no chair, so I sit up here.
Itu kan Havana punya.
We got a new character. It's your mom. So Havana, can you see this? Take this. What? Take this out. That's what? Eat this. I think that's for you.
Let's go. How to play this game quick.
So we will take a character and we have to answer honestly. So we're just gonna ask is your character a girl? Is your character a boy? Does your character wear sunglasses?
Oke, get it. Siapa jalan dulu?
Not very here.
Kenapa ini? Apa nih?
I think the only character with glasses is Megan. Oh, Megan. Is your character? My character is Megan. A girl.
Oh, you have to put one inside here. So this is the one everybody have to guess.
Is your character young? Young? No. Okay. What is this? Wait, Linka. Does that spell Graham? Graham. I like him. Wait, is your character young or not? No. Jadi mulai.
Udah mulai nih, udah lagi main nih. Yuk kenapa diam aja? Yuk teman Caca Mingka.
Mana mulutnya?
Is your character using a hat gitu?
Is your character using a hat? No. No hat? Is your character John? No. Is your character orange hair? No. Okay. No. Oh, wait, your character is not using a hat. Is your character Michael? No, he's not using a hat. Is your character a boy?
Is it a boy or a girl?
Minka, does your character have gray or brown hair? Shut up.
Minka.
Minka, does your character wait! You have Megan in it and David. Hey.
Itu Donald Duck kenapa tuh?
Does your character have brown and gray hair? Yeah. Is your character... Does your character have orange hair? No. Does your character have... Does your character have gray hair? Yes. Oh, okay.
Can you guess now, Ivory?
Is your character... Graham? No. Is your character Megan? No. No. Okay. Your character Harrison.
Havana, jangan dong.
Is your character have gray hair? Yes. Is your character Megan?
Gray hair.
Stop. This is great. Minka, is your character... Does your character have a mustache? Like, no. Like down here or here? No. Like here?
Yes. Beard, yes.
That's not. She didn't. She only can say one question. How about that? Yeah, that's not. Is your character David? No. Is your character Michael? Is your character Angela? Is your character Greg? Is your character Kevin? How about that? Is your character Kevin? Is no. Wait, is yours a girl or boy? Akan bilang yes. Is your character? What is yes? Girl and boy. How about that? Stop. Is your character Emma? Is your character?
Ini mainan apa kok Havananya begitu duduk-duduk aja?
Is your character girl? No. Is your character Kevin? Emma? No. Is your character Michael? No. Is your character? Dan, that's all your question. Is your character Emma?
Come on, quick, guess.
Is your character... Where are some of my characters? Hurry up. Wait, I actually slammed.
Is your character
Is your character...
bald?
Is your character bald? Yes, here. Yeah, where? Here.
Ya ada hair ya masih di kepala dong.
Is your character David? No, stupid.
Masa di hidung? Ya di kepala lah hair. Gimana?
I have hair in my nose. Is your character Michael? No. What? Your character is Graham? Yes. Tapi kan tadi udah bilang kan? No.
So, can you guess who is my character? Ivory? Guess Minka character?
Is your character? I showed it to you for a second. Megan?
No, cowok kok.
Boy.
Actually, it's me. Is it
Daniel? It's Andrew. It's Papa. Minka! Yes! Brown hair. No, that's... Is your character? It's gray. Isn't it? Or is it brown?
It's a fun game ya.
Is this gray or brown? Daddy, kapan ini?
Sama lah. Ini udah mulai dari tadi mainnya. Iya nggak ngerti ya?
Lama banget mulainya. Mana orangnya?
Ini lagi main, Mei. Boleh one more round, seru juga. Emang mainnya begini Havana.
Why do you keep on saying my character is Megan sih?
Ceh,
Itu
Cece. Ini si Havana bilang ini kapan mainnya? Dia bilang orang kita udah main dari tadi. Lama.
Havana stop.
Ini nebak siapa orangnya gitu, Havana. Ivory, don't be rude, Ivory.
Hey, why me? Well, I didn't ask you to. Okay, guys, this is the game. Who is it? Very fun.
We have to guess.
But breaking relationship. So please. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And when you subscribe, please press the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.